Android 17 QPR1 Beta 5 is now rolling out to eligible Google Pixel devices. If your Pixel device running the QPR1 Beta 4, check for the latest system update. Minor changes and multiple bug fixes in this Android 17 Beta update on your Pixel phone. To check for the update, open the App drawer to your Pixel phone. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. You can see the update Android 17 QPR1 Beta 5. Update size is 509 megabytes. Tap Download and Install to install update to your Google Pixel phone. A new important change is Don't Ask Me Again toggle when turning on mobile data to your Pixel device. Check out the link in the description to see the list of bug fixes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.